How's it going, everyone? Today I'm gonna show you how to create a PDF docs on Android. Now, first things first, you can do this by going to the Google Drive application. Now, once you're in Google Drive, click on this plus sign right here and select Scan. Now, take a photo of a document that you want to use. So, right here. And click on the check right here. Now right here you can crop your document, or you can add multiple captures like that. So once you've done that, or once you've decided that you are done, just click on save. And right here it says PDF. So just rename on that real quick. And select a location where you want to save. So I just selected my drive. And click on the account that you want or where you want to save. And click on save. So wait for your file to be uploaded. Just refresh on that real quick. Then right here. So as you can see, I have created a PDF using my Android device. It's as simple as that. So that's it for this video, everyone, and if you find this helpful, be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!